Hey folks, as you can see, I have stripped down the bike for some post-monsoon cleaning and I thought of making this quick video. So this is how the wiring looks below the seat. There's flashings. Let me see if I can focus the camera. Yeah, so that's flashings. And this red connector that you see is the CAN bus connector or the OBD2 connector connected to the cruise control module. And then there's Fulex. This is the wiring which I'm trying to use for the aux lamps. It comes with a fuse built in, which actually helps protect the circuits. You can see that transparent box over there. It's the relay, which again is a part of the aux lamp harness. The wire is routed to each of the aux lamp mounts on both ends. The green plugs that you see here, are again the Fulex plugs connected to the sensors. This another wire is for the aux lamp on the other side. So yeah, this harness comes installed with these waterproof plugs on both ends. I've also completely removed the headlamps so that I can make space for the cruise control module to sit inside somewhere here. Apart from that, I am also planning to clean the engine bay or maybe the engine cradle over here. So nicely clean it to get rid of that dirt as well as grime that's sitting inside over there. Forgot to show this switch, which again is a part of the wiring harness for the aux lamps. So what I'm doing now is actually spraying a little bit of soapy water to the section which I want to clean, and then using this cheap detailing brush to get rid of those dust and dirt that's sticking to the wires and fuel pipes, the horn, all those parts. So I'm taking one section at a time. So it's going to take a while. So this is just a snapshot of what I'm going to do the whole day today. Alright, so now I'm trying to clean the motorbike's fuel tank, but what I spotted was these white marks. See, tried rubbing it with normal water, but then it's not working. I don't know if the camera is focusing, so it doesn't go. In order to get rid of this, there's an easy hack. Lemon. Just apply a little bit of lemon here. Let it soak for some time. Yep. Maybe just give it a slight rub. And then spray some generous soapy water. Clean it completely. And let's see if that worked. Let it dry for some time. Yeah, seems like it works. Let me just focus and see if I can see spots. Okay, I'm not sure if the camera is capturing. There's just a mild spot over here. Maybe it requires another application, but yeah, it seems to be working. Now if you're not interested in this messy workaround, you can always grab a bottle of vinegar and spray. These stains are due to hard water. especially the borewell water. So keep in mind that you're not washing your bikes using the borewell water. So I'm almost done cleaning the tank. There's still some white spots which I need to clean using the lemon method, but I thought of making this quick clip, because I found something interesting made in Italy. So so pretty interesting. The tank is made in Italy for an Austrian brand. Just thought of including this in the video. Alright, so the cleaning of the tank is done. As you see, it looks pretty clean now. There are some minor spots here, but these will get polished later, so I'm not worried about that. But I think what I've achieved is pretty decent now. All those minor stains are gone, dust and debris gone, so it looks pretty decent and ready to be installed on the motorbike.